Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to find a contact number on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, this process is easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. To do this, go to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. If you're not logged in yet, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your phone's WhatsApp app. Once you're logged in, all your chats and contacts will appear on the left side of the screen. Now, locate the contact you want to find. You can use the search bar at the top left corner of WhatsApp web to quickly search for their name or scroll through your chat list until you find them. Once you've found the contact, click on their name. This will open the chat window with that person. At the top of this window, you'll see their name or profile picture. Click on it to access their contact info. In the contact info section, you'll see various details about the person. Scroll down slightly, and you'll find their phone number displayed here. That's it. You've successfully located their number. This method is quick and efficient for finding contact numbers directly through WhatsApp web without needing to switch back to your phone. Whether it's for saving a number or reaching out via another platform, knowing where to look makes all the difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.